Students, welcome to the second online lecture about the electromagnetic theory. Today we are going to discuss about two very important equations, Poisson equation and Laplace equation. Let me begin with the Poisson equation, and then from there I will derive Laplace equation. We will discuss about the various applications of Poisson and Laplace equation. There are two particular equations. These two are actually particular equations in electrostatics, namely Poisson and Laplace equation. Both are fundamental to electrostatics. If we have suppose that if we have some charge distribution known as rho sigma, this is known as a charge distribution, or it can be also known as volume charge density. Then in that case, according to the Maxwell equation, we have del dot E is equal to rho upon epsilon naught. This is the Maxwell equation number 1. And if you define electric field in terms of the potential, then we know that E is equal to minus del dot of phi. Electric field in terms of potential, E is equal to minus del dot of phi, where phi is a scalar. So if we use equation number 2 in this equation number 1, then we will have a del square of phi is equal to minus rho upon epsilon naught. Here we use the value of this one, E, into this equation. Then we use del square of phi is equal to minus rho upon of epsilon naught. This equation number 2, del square of phi is equal to minus rho upon of epsilon naught. This is known as the Poisson equation, where phi is known as the potential and this rho is known as the volume charge density. It's a very important equation because this equation gives us this is the volume charge density, this is the permittivity of free space, and this is the potential, because this is the relation between these two entities. Del square of phi is equal to minus rho upon epsilon naught. The main advantage of this equation, del square of phi is equal to minus rho upon epsilon naught, or Poisson equation, is that if we are given phi potential, then we can evaluate the value of volume charge density rho by this expression. And if we want to know at some time whether the charge density exists or not, then we use a Laplace equation. And for this case, first we convert the Poisson equation into Laplace equation, and then we will derive that one. So you should know about that why we convert the Poisson equation into Laplace equation. That if you want to know at some time that whether there some charge density exists or not, then we use the Laplace equation. And for this case, we have to convert the Poisson equation into Laplace equation. Okay, suppose that we have a region or space where we are interested. We have a region or space at which there is no source of charge. This means the rho is equal to 0. No source of charge exists. This means the rho is equal to 0. Then if you put rho is equal to 0 here, then this will be del square of phi is equal to 0. This second equation, del square of phi is equal to 0, is known as the Laplace equation, and del square is known as the Laplacian. This is a very important equation. Our fundamental interest is looking at the solutions of these two equations. That is, the situation exists if there are charge density given by the Poisson equation, and the regions where the source free charge, and solutions given by the Laplace equation. So this means the solution for the Poisson equation gives us the charge density existence, and source free region will gives us the Laplace equation. And let me go ahead from the solution of the Poisson equation. So our interest is the solution of these two equations, solution of this one and solution of this one. First I will solve this one, and then I will solve this Laplace equation. Laplace equation solution will be comprised of many steps. I will consider the coordinate system, and then in coordinate system, first of all, in one dimension Laplace equation, two dimension Laplace equation, three dimension Laplace equation, and then I will convert that Laplace equation from Cartesian coordinate to spherical and cylindrical coordinates. Actually, in this Laplace equation, we are dealing with the spherical harmonics, and will derive their final equations. So let me first of all derive this equation, del square of phi is equal to minus rho upon epsilon naught, or that is also known as the Poisson equation solution. Wait for the next video.